All right, we'll try it one more time. Gee, it's probably coffee. Yeah, that's what I do. I take the calculator and stick it in my ear. Big douche.
She did throw it out the window, but it didn't hit.
Watch this recording work.
Probably didn't want to record because your fucking calculator screen was like dirty. Not dry it off. What's your shirt?
It'll dry.
It's the linen.
All right. I think we're set. Put in your y equals. You don't have any friends. 3x cubed. Shh. Go sit at a desk. Minus 9x plus 1. Graph it. And the first thing I want to find is the x-intercepts. Hey, welcome back. I would have thought that maybe you weren't going to come back. Okay, where does this now? You got a couple of choices how to find the x-intercepts, right? What's my y value? In fact, what's the equation of the x-axis? Quiet, guys. What's the equation of the x-axis? Yeah, y equals 0. Okay. So if y equals 0, I could maybe try to do a shortcut here. I know I've got 1, 2, 3, and according to the fundamental theorem of algebra, I have 3 zeros, right? I have 3 zeros. They could be imaginary, but these these look to be real because they're crossing the x-axis, right? Let's try and look at our chart and see if we got any y values that are 0. And unfortunately, we don't. Okay, that would be the first place I would check. So we're going to have to calculate our zeros. Going to hit second trace, get our first 0. Let's see, it's asking for the left bound. I need to be to the left of that 0. So I'm going to be to the left of that 0, hit enter. Right bound, I need to cross the x-axis, hit enter, and enter again. One of my zeros is going to be 1.79, comma 0. I'm sorry, negative 1.79. So there's one of them. I got to go find another one. Second trace, 0. Let's see, going to be left bound. Hit enter. Right bound, enter. Enter again. My second 0 is going to be 0.11, comma 0. And my third one, going to have to do the second trace again. 0. Hit enter, right bound, enter, and enter again. It's 1.67, comma 0. So there's my 3 x-intercepts, my 3 zeros, my 3 solutions, my 3 roots, however you want to call them. Okay, let's find our max. Okay. So I'm going to have to calculate it again. Go to second trace. This time I need my max. This is my relative max right there, right? Going to hit enter for left bound. Enter for right bound. Enter again. And my maximum is at -1, 7. Got to find the min. I got to go back and find the minimum, this vertex. Second trace, minimum. Left bound, enter. Right bound, enter. Enter again. And it's at 1, -5. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw this graph, okay? I have my x-intercepts at -1.8. So here's -1.8 is right about there. 0.10, right about there. And 1.67, so it's 1 2/3, right about there. Okay, my maximum's at -1.7, -1.7, and my minimum is at 1, -5. Okay, I should be able to draw my graph now. Let's see, comes down, goes like this, turns, turns, and goes up like that. Okay, I'm going to leave the arrowheads off for now because it's going to confuse me when I do increasing and decreasing. This is the new part. This is the only new part of this whole section, is the increasing and decreasing. Okay, let's talk about my graph increasing. When my graph increases, it goes from a lower number to a higher number, right? That's increasing. So this part of my graph is the lowest number. It's increasing, 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 increasing. And then it stops at that point, right? Then what happens, it turns around. What's going on from this point to this point? Decreasing. So I'll get another color. So decreasing. It's going to go from here, decreasing, 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 to that point. Then it's going to increase again from this point. Increase, 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 increase. Pretty cool, huh? Isn't that cool how you can analyze graphs? This is more like college algebra. All right. You guys don't seem too excited about this math stuff. Jeez. Jeez, jeez. All right, so it's increasing. Now I got to describe it in mathematical terms, right? Because we really don't use fuzzy lines. So it's coming from what? Negative infinity, right? And it's going to stop at, well, let's see, this was our maximum, right? Yeah, 7. Good. Good job. Okay. But it's kind of, it's a turning point. Doesn't really stop or include 7. That you guys will learn in pre-calc and calculus. We're going to use a parenthesis. For increasing and decreasing, we're never going to use brackets, okay? Okay, where else is it increasing? Union. Let's see, it starts at this point, right? What's the y value for my minimum? -5. And where's it going to end up? Infinity. Okay, how about decreasing? Where's it going to start? 7. Good. Where's it going to end? -5. See how easy that is? That's the only new thing you're learning. Everything else you guys know how to do. Right? Easy peasy, right? Right? Right?
Yeah. Bro, I don't do that.
All right, I'm going to do one more. Maybe 2 more. Let's do number 2. Graph along. Feel free. Grab a calculator. You're going to have to do this on the quiz next Wednesday. Oh, God, I don't know how you can do Khan Academy. Okay, negative 1/4 x raised to the 4th plus 2x squared. Graph that sucker. Okay, let's grab our x-intercepts. Second trace. It's our zeros. Enter. 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 My first one. Negative 2.83. Comma 0. By the way, how many zeros do I have? How many intercepts do I have? 4, right? Okay, there's 1. Well, let's do another one. Second trace, 0. Left bound. Looks like I only have 3, doesn't it? I think there's something going on with that point right there. I think I'm going to zoom in. I want to see what's happening. Yep, still looks like only 1 point, right? I'm going to zoom in again, just to make sure that we don't have 2 points there. Oh, I might have 2 points there, right? I'm not sure. I'm going to zoom in again. Boy, that's awful close. I'm going to go back to Zoom Standard. And I'm going to see if that's 1, 0 there. So I'm going to do a second trace. Do my 0. Left bound. Enter. Right bound. Enter. Enter again. Uh-oh. It froze. And I get an error. What? Shh. 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 What do you think is happening? And it looks to be at that point 0, right? It's a multiplicity of 2. Exactly. Exactly. So at 0, I have a multiplicity of 2. Okay? You can either put multiplicity of 2, or you can just put down 0, 0 twice. I don't care. You guys are algebra 2. You're just analyzing this. You're not using it. You're analyzing graphs. Okay, my third one. What? I'm going to try to get it done today. Who? Who's Jake Lee?
He's the one that always gets straight looking right.
You mean I can get my hair like you?
Well,
Can I? Huh.
I mean, you're not African, so it's not like permanent. You could get lined up. You could get lined up and then just lift up all your hair flaps. He could probably help you with that beard that you got going on.
Hey, leave my beard alone.
Something you can do with that.
There's nothing wrong with my beard. 2.83, comma 0. Jake Lee, huh? Where's Jake Lee? Got to go back and get our max. He does it at his house. I'm going to do this one since my cursor's over there. Enter. 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 Can he do it today? I do have to get a cut. I'm not kidding you.
Trey's about to make you an appointment.
What time? Why don't you just have him come here at school and give haircuts?
They'd be like, sir, what's in your bag? What are those?
What's going to be my min? That's right. 0, 0. Okay, let's graph this sucker. 0, 0. 2, 4. Negative 2, 4. Let's see, my intercepts. Negative 2.8. 0. And 2.8. So, my graph's going to be coming down from negative infinity. Turns, does that bump or bounce because we have a multiplicity of 2. And then it comes off the max and comes back down. Increasing. Increase, 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 increase. Decrease, 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 decrease. Increase, 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 increase. And decrease, 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 decrease. Increase, 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 increase. Decrease, 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 decrease. Increase, 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 increase. Decrease, 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 decrease. Yes. Okay, where is my graph increasing? Well, negative infinity to yep, 4. It's also increasing from 0 to 4. Where's it decreasing? And 4 to negative infinity. And I'm done. I don't think I'm going to do any more. So, you guys got your homework, right?